This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on Facebook in a straightforward manner. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Access your Facebook account. Log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your payouts. Step 2. Navigate to the monetization section. Once logged in, go to the Creator Studio or monetization section from the main menu. This is where you can manage your earnings and payouts. Step 3. Check your earnings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Request your payout. Look for the option to request a payout. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information such as your payment method and amount. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review all the details you enter, then confirm and submit your payout request. You should receive a notification once your request is processed. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts on Facebook. Make sure to keep track of your earnings and payout requests for future reference.